So, right now we are privileged to visit a small site. No, we are allowed to conduct to take videos and to observe. And this activity that we are going to perform is in accordance to our subject, building systems design, and we will be focusing on the PD 1096, or the National Building Code of the Philippines. So have observant eyes, students, and let's roll.
PD number 1096, Presidential Decree adopting a National Building Code of the Philippines, ordered and decreed by the late President Ferdinand E. Marcos. Now this is to safeguard life, health, property, and public welfare based on the principles of sound environmental management and control. Now, the purpose of this code is to provide for all buildings and structures a framework of minimum standards and requirements, to regulate and control their location, site, design, quality of materials, construction, use, occupancy, and maintenance.
Okay, we are now here at the site. Itong site na to, itong project is a very small project actually. Maliit lang siya na area. Structural siya, more on structural and electrical. Pero napakaliit lang talaga siyang project. Now, we started the small project to observe, okay? So, we are privileged to be allowed to record the video. Kaya, again, behave tayo. You have to put on your hard hat. And of course, your face shield. Part of the safety and health.
Dos, balik iya, tawag ka ni mami. Waka pa face mask at face shield.
Alright, first, this is the construction site of a genset change-out rollout project of a certain telco. Now, going back to our activity, you should read and study section 103 to 105 of PD 1096. Plus, this is the open temposil of the site. And this is the foreman, and yun ang big boss ng site. Dito the site supervisor. Okay class, right now we are looking at the detailed plan. Again, this project is a generator set change out rollout project, or a generator house, genset house. Now, back in the PD 1096, chapter 4, section 401 are the types of construction, and your activity is to determine what type of construction is this. Is this a type 1, type 2, 3, 4, or 5? And its description. Now on the chapter 7 of the code is the classification of all requirements for all building use and occupancy. At section 701 is the occupancy classifications. And now one of your activity is to determine on what group this project falls. Choose from group A to J and on what division it falls. Alright? Plus, take note all your observations on this construction site based on the codes, policy, and provisions. And sorry for the very short-lived video. This is just a short introduction to our National Building Code of the Philippines. Okay, thank you, and I hope you like this.